Welcome to your Hydra Oxy Gel Cream application technique. Infused with aloe vera and niacinamide, this one's going to be your best friend for the morning. Let's start by taking this beautiful textured airless cream into our palms first. Activate the ingredients as always. Since this one is typically for the day, I would want you to first start with a patting application like this. Place it onto your cheeks, on your forehead, jawline, 3 circles on your neck, other side. Take a little bit of your cream onto 2 fingers. Let's do the lip swipe. 4 and 4, 8 swipes total. Now let's do some palm lifts. Since we have the cream already on our face and palm, I want you to take this part of your palm, flatten it, lifting the apple of your cheek, taking it towards your temple or your ears, giving it a little nudge, building that muscle memory and release. Let's do this 3 times together. Let's start with some forehead line relaxing face yoga techniques. Take your index finger and your middle finger and just do semicircles 3 times till your temple. 1, 2, and 3. This time we will take any lymphatic fluid and always drain out. Let's give our lips some stimulation now. Take your index finger and your thumb and knead your lips with me left to right 6 times. Brilliant! Your lips are going to be ready for that lipstick day application. Since this is a day massage, let's end it with some neck stretching. I know you have a long day at work. Opposite hand, opposite ear, opposite shoulder. Stretch your head all the way down, pulling this down. Hold for 5 seconds. And come back. Let's repeat this on the other side. And back. Intertwine your fingers, place it on the back of your head and down. Come back, let's support our neck, take our lower lip onto our upper lip, look up and hold. Close your eyes, come back. You're all set for your day, my lovely. Apply your sunscreen, a little BB cream and shine.